Welcome back to another training session, and today's video we're going to be talking about hand sanitizer and toilet roll. Should you be selling these on Amazon Australia, Amazon USA, it doesn't really matter. Are they good products? What is the longevity of these particular products? Are you only going to be making money for 2 months, 3 months, and then suddenly it stops? So we're going to be talking about that and much more on this training session. So stay with me. We'll be back in a second. Good to have you back. All right, so are these good products? Are these products that are worthwhile you jumping on, spending time, effort to source these particular products, find a reputable supplier, get them shipped to Australia, get them shipped to USA, and basically sell these? Well, let me tell you, don't waste your time. All right, these particular products, they have a very short shelf life. All right, say that very fast. Very short shelf life by the seashore. Right, these things literally, you will be selling them until you get banned on Amazon. There are quite a few people who are being banned right now, probably because they're price gouging on the Amazon store. But do not sell these. The shelf life, or what we call the life cycle of a particular product, you do not want to jump on a particular product that has a life cycle of 3 months. All right, you want to jump on products that have life cycles of 6 months to a year to 2 years, 3 years if possible, right? Because you'll make money maybe in a short term, but then eventually you're going to have to find a new product and jump on a new supplier, right? Or Amazon will ban you, and that's even the worst case scenario, right? So do not jump on these particular products. And there are people who have been banned selling these particular products on Amazon, and they're like, what's going on? Why am I banned? Well, guys, you're selling these things, right? And you're price gouging. So, and even if you're not price gouging, guess what? Storing these in the Amazon warehouse, they're not going to like it, right? Because it's alcohol-based content. What is this? It's ethanol solution. Here we go, 70% ethanol solution. You put this in the mailbox, right? And there's a flame nearby, kapoof, right? So that's kind of why Amazon don't stock a lot of these, what we call hazmat products, all right? So do not jump on products that have alcohol-based content in them, period. If you're doing FBM, it's something a little bit different. Another story, another video for another day, all right? But do not sell these products, all right? So if you have any questions, if you want to have a chat with one of my team members, by the way, and you're looking to get something started on Amazon, give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. That's our Australian number. Our other numbers are below on this screen and below this video. We would love to have a chat with you. By the way, we are doing a promotion right now if you are a first responder. So if you are a nurse, if you are a doctor, if you are a police officer, if you are a firefighter, all right, we are giving a special promotion to you. Give us a call in the office, or jump on or shoot us an email at our website, and we will have a chat with you. Now, you need to have some sort of ID to prove that you are. You can't just go, hey, I'm a nurse, or I identify with being a police officer, right? That stuff, you know, you got to actually have ID. If you are a lawyer, you actually pay double, all right? So give us a call in the office, 02-8003-7534. Thank you very much for joining us. Have a great day. Bye-bye for now. See you later.
My goal is to help as many people on this planet as possible. People that are positive, people wanting a positive change in their life, people wanting to start afresh, finding hot and trending products to sell online, and people wanting to make a positive impact for their family.